Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we explore the world of interior design and bring you the latest trends and tips. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor living and EXP. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're delving into the captivating world of modern rustic house facades, and let's learn how to create a timeless and stylish exterior for your home. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Modern rustic house facade style seamlessly blends the warmth and charm of traditional rustic architecture with the clean lines and minimalist aesthetic of modern design. Let's explore the essence of modern rustic facades, its numerous benefits, and practical tips for achieving this stylish look. We'll also discuss essential elements to consider for a truly captivating exterior. Modern rustic house facades are a fusion of traditional and contemporary design elements. They often feature natural materials like wood, stone, and metal, combined with sleek lines and minimalist details. This style creates a harmonious balance between the old and the new, resulting in a timeless and appealing aesthetic. A modern rustic facade offers several advantages, such as: first, enhanced curb appeal. It creates a striking first impression and adds value to your home. Second, timeless appeal. This style is enduring and will not go out of fashion. Third, natural beauty. The use of natural materials creates a connection to nature. Fourth, energy efficiency. Natural materials can help regulate temperature and reduce energy consumption. Fifth, versatility. It can be adapted to various architectural styles and preferences. How to decorate your modern rustic house facades to look great. To create a stunning modern rustic facade, consider these decorating tips. First, choose the right materials. Opt for natural materials like wood, stone, and metal. Second, incorporate texture. Mix different textures, such as smooth stucco and rough-hewn stone. Third, use a neutral color palette. Stick to earthy tones like brown, gray, and beige. Fourth, add architectural details. Incorporate elements like exposed beams, stone accents, and large windows. Fifth, landscape strategically. Plant native plants and trees to complement the rustic aesthetic. Here are some essential elements for a modern rustic facade. 1. Stone accents. Use stone for a foundation, chimney, or accent wall. 2. Wood siding. Opt for natural wood siding, such as cedar or reclaimed barnwood. 3. Metal roof. A metal roof adds a contemporary touch and is durable. 4. Large windows. Maximize natural light and create a connection with the outdoors. 5. Porch or patio. A covered porch or patio provides an outdoor living space. 6. Rustic lighting. Use outdoor lighting fixtures with a rustic or industrial design. 7. Front door. Choose a sturdy, weather-resistant door with a simple design. 8. Landscaping. Plant native plants, trees, and shrubs to complement the rustic style. 9. Outdoor furniture. Use comfortable, weather-resistant furniture, such as Adirondack chairs or a porch swing. 10. Wind chimes or bird feeders. Add a touch of nature and sound to your facade. To inspire your next home project, here are 10 stunning examples of modern rustic house facades. These designs seamlessly blend traditional charm with contemporary style, creating homes that are both inviting and visually striking. Here are 10 inspiring ideas to help you create a stunning modern rustic facade. 1. Rustic modern farmhouse. Combine classic farmhouse elements like weathered wood and stone with modern lines and large windows. 2. Industrial chic. Use raw materials like exposed brick, metal, and reclaimed wood to create a rugged and industrial look. 3. Scandinavian modern. Embrace minimalism with clean lines, natural materials, and a focus on functionality. 4. Mediterranean modern. Incorporate terracotta tiles, stone accents, and arched doorways for a Mediterranean-inspired look. 5. Mountain modern. Use natural materials like stone and wood to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. 6. Coastal modern. Combine rustic elements with a coastal vibe. Use weathered wood, natural stone, and nautical-inspired details. 7. Contemporary farmhouse. Blend modern and traditional elements for a fresh and stylish look. 8. Minimalist rustic. Keep it simple with clean lines, neutral colors, and natural materials. 9. Eclectic rustic. Mix and match different styles and elements to create a unique and personalized look. 10. Sustainable rustic. Incorporate eco-friendly materials and sustainable practices into your design. A modern rustic facade can transform your home into a timeless masterpiece. By following these tips and incorporating these essential elements, you can create a stunning and inviting exterior. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel, Homes Decor Designs. We'll continue to share tips and tricks to help you create your dream home. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos. Exploring the incredible potential of modular outdoor kitchens inspiration. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine transforming your backyard into a culinary oasis, a space where you can entertain guests, cook delicious meals, and create lasting memories. With modular design, the possibilities are endless. We hope this video has inspired you to elevate your outdoor living space. Remember, a modular outdoor kitchen is not just a functional addition to your home. It's an investment in your lifestyle. So why wait? Start planning your dream outdoor kitchen today. If you're ready to take the next step in creating your perfect outdoor kitchen, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring home decor ideas. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.